And we are live. Hello, everybody. It's me again, Marianne. Those people who are new to my page, this is Marianne. I'm a wife, I'm a mom, I'm an online business mentor, and I do this as a side hustle. So, kanina, nagkaroon kami ng collaboration with my business partners. And I thought, you know what? Ituloy-tuloy ko na. Kasi meron pa naman akong a few minutes of my, pockets of my time tonight before I, go back to being a mom, take care of the kids, with them going back, going to bed, and also me preparing myself to go to bed. Mapahinga muna tayo, no? Yan. Ano kasi, Um, merong akong pinost the other day that actually struck me the most this past few days. Because I know I did a live and I've said that I know I've been gone for like months maybe. I haven't done any go lives. I haven't done any much of much of interviews that I was doing before, right? And so yun, medyo nawala yun kasi nag-focus muna ako dun sa other side of my life that needs priority currently. And the good thing about the business is I can go back whenever I can, do little tidbits of my time in the day whenever I can, right? And it's still my business. It's still there, just running on the background, right? I know I can be more out there as I used to. Pero the good thing is it's still there. It's just waiting for me, and I can just do do my business dun sa mga kaya kong i-provide na hours in the day right now that I'm slowly I'm just focusing on another side of my personal life. Yon. So yun, na-struck ako kasi yung pinost ko the other day was at my own pace. Right? So yun, gusto ko lang i-share something na siguro marami sa atin nararamdaman. Yung feeling na ang bagal ng progress ng buhay ko. You know, parang, for example, baka nagtatanong ka, bakit hindi pa ako napopromote sa work? 'Di ba? O di kaya nag-exercise ka, pero parang feeling ko walang effect kasi wala pa akong muscle. Mga ganyan, 'di ba? O minsan sa personal life, parang wala pa rin nangyayari sa mga goals ko. Ganon. Kung ganon ka rin minsan, hindi ka nag-iisa. Yun lang gusto kong sabihin. Alam niyo sa buhay, madalas nating tinitignan yung pace ng iba. We try to compare it. It's innate to us, right? Yung iba mabilis mag-grow, yung iba mabagal, at minsan nasa-stress tayo, bakit parang wala nangyayari sa akin? Pero here's the thing, we all bloom in our own time. May mga tao na parang wildflowers, mabilis, bright agad, ganyan. May mga iba naman parang oak trees, mabagal, steady, pero matatag, and then deeply rooted. Yan. Alam nyo, every slow moment in life, may reason. Baka kailangan nyo pang matutunan yung training nyo, yung lesson nyo, o kailangan palakasin nyo pa yung foundation mo bago dumating yung season mo. Yan. Kaya kung hindi ka pa napopromote, let's say, right, baka may kailangan ka pang matutunan sa work. Kung hindi mo pa nakikita yung effect ng exercise, baka kailangan patience and consistency para lumakas yung muscle mo kung yun yung goal mo, right? So kung sa ngayon mabagal, don't worry. Keep learning, keep showing up, keep doing small steps. Celebrate kahit maliit na progress, kasi progress pa rin yan. Kahit maliit lang yan, progress pa rin yan. Remember, fast growth can be exciting. Yes, of course, right? But deep roots last longer. Yung season mo, darating din yan. Just trust the process at God's timing. Kaya, ngayon, tonight, I want to encourage all of you. Live life at your own pace, right? It's your life anyways, right? Your journey is yours and everything you're going through has a purpose. So, kung nakaka-relate kayo, comment lang kayo sa ating comment box, right? para mag-remind tayo sa isa't isa na kahit slow, tuloy-tuloy lang yung pag-grow. O, diba? Tandaan niyo yan. Kahit slow, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo mag-grow. So yun, I'm just so happy to just share that insight with you tonight. And hopefully, 'di ba, may napulot po kayong konti, right? I know sometimes these things, we know it already. It's just us hearing it from other people. So at least makita nyo na what you're feeling, what you're dealing right now is valid, right? So yun lang po. It's time for me to go. It's mom duties naman, right? And I'll see you again. It has been nice doing this again, and I have to do more of this again. And if you have any more topics that you want me to discuss, it may not be business, you know, it'll be personal life, what you want to know, my take on like anything under the moon and the stars, right? Kung ano yung sa tingin nyo, di ba? Mag-discuss, chika lang tayo ng chika. So yan, and thank you for always supporting me in all of my endeavors here in the online business world, right? And thank you, and I will be back again. And have a nice Thursday night here in Ontario, Canada, or good morning, good evening, good afternoon to wherever you are. And as I always say, choose to be happy and focus on what matters most. Good night. Bye.